Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, King Doggy, back with another unboxing video. This will be a review, and just a reminder, this is not sponsored. Now, up on the screen here is what we're going to be reviewing. And I actually have it right here. It's inside of this box. Now, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hey guys, here's the knife. Whew. It's looking hot. Let's see how it cuts. Oh, look at that. Cut it right through it like butter. Let me do a test run on this thing. Test it out here. Cut right through it. That. That's just like that. Cut through it like butter. So, this is the knife. It's pretty cool. So far, I'm gonna have to say it's a 3-star on the rating overall. Not sure how I'm supposed to fold it, but hold on, y'all. Let me show you something. Look at this. See that thing? It's got a little clip on it right here. You can put that on my shirt, or you can put it on your pants also. Put it on your pocket. I think it's only for pockets. Yeah. It is mainly to be put on the pockets, I'm pretty sure. Or on the wallets if you got it folded up. But you can do it on your shirt. So, yeah. Well guys, that's about everything. See y'all in the next one.